White heavy checkmark multi-ways control, voice and app remote and smooth touch. Enjoy the smart life to turn on/off the light and adjust the fan speed from 0 to 100% in different ways. Fan and light can be controlled simultaneously and separately, no dimmer for light. White heavy checkmark multi-devices support. Work with Amazon Alexa Echo/Google Home/If/Smart Life app. Compatible with Android/iOS system. Only supports 2.4 GHz network, does not support 5 GHz. Please kindly check your network is 2.4 GHz before connecting the smart Wi-Fi fan light switch. White heavy checkmark Multi-Fuctions Equipped, timer fuction, supports timing schedules including single/repeat/countdown blue LED indicator. Easily find your smart Wi-Fi fan light switch. Even in dark grouping family member can control the switch. together④Status real-time feedback on smart life app. No hub required. White heavy checkmark easy installation. Be up and running with your new smart Wi-Fi ceiling fan light switch in as little as 15 to 30 minutes with manual. In-wall electrical wiring required. White heavy checkmark premium quality and design. CE/FCC/RoHS certification. Flame resistant ABS bottom box and crystal tempered glass panel ensure great safe life with different decorate style demand. We offer 1-year warranty to ensure you no risk purchase.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,